Hey everybody, Gardner here, and as is per my usual, I am very excited for video day because I get to share 2 tips that I learned this week. But for today, we'll just start with one. This came to me as I was thinking about some moments that I was having with a coworker, and I was having a hard time kind of processing through everything that I was feeling, and I knew that I wanted to feel the best about them, but I also knew that I needed to let go of some other things that I was processing and dealing with, because as we know, burying stuff just keeps it, and it keeps it forever, and it doesn't do us any good because we just hold on to it and it keeps eating away at us and eating away at us. And so the technique that I want to teach to all of you is called the tale of 2 letters of recommendation. Now, for the purpose of this, we all kind of have an idea of what letters of recommendation are. Our current employment writes a letter of recommendation for a job that we're trying to get. And it's generally a way of sharing all of the good about us, the positive things, outstanding examples of the good things that we do, and it's very much looking at the best. However, there are occasions when letters of recommendation can also show negative things because that worker maybe wasn't the most fantastic. So if you are having struggles with someone in your life, whether it be family, a coworker, someone in your community that you want to feel better about them, you want to be able to strengthen a relationship with them, I would encourage you to write these 2 letters of recommendation. The first one is one that guarantees they don't get the job. So you're writing out all of this stuff, pointing out all of these things that aren't positive, that drive you nuts, that are really weighing on you. And then, as is per our usual of the negative things, you crumble it up, you stomp on it, you tear it up, you throw it in the garbage. Get rid of it. Those are the things you don't want to be carrying around anymore. Those are the things that you don't want weighing you down. Now, the second letter of recommendation is now to switch your mindset and switch your eyes to see the positive and the good. Sometimes the negative can overwhelm us and make us only see the bad things. So now that you've given space, you validated those things that have been driving you nuts, now is the time to switch your perspective and switch what you're seeing and what you're doing so that you can see the positive. So I want you to write down, and this is the letter that guarantees that this person that you work with is getting the job. This is the one that you are writing out all of the good, all of the uplifting, all of the amazing things that you see, so that moving forward, you have switched your eyes and your mind to see the good. I'm so excited to hear how this goes down for you guys. Please leave a message down in the comments below, message on Facebook or on YouTube, and I'm excited to hear how you were able to work through these things that are going through your mind, because we don't want to hold on to the bad and the negative, but we do want to train our eyes to see the good, and this technique will help you to do both. And I'll see you guys on the flip side towards the better side.